Celebrity Silhouette is the exact same class of ship as Celebrity Eclipse, but it's 1 year younger and it has a number of key differences. Now we're here on board to give you an exclusive tour. Now anyone familiar with Celebrity Eclipse will know exactly where I am, which is of course the Lawn Club, that ½ acre of real grass lawn which sits on top of all Celebrity Solstice ships. But the key differences are all around me, and we're going to have a look at those right now. Now one of the key differences you'll notice when you come up to the Lawn Club are these cabanas, or alcoves as they call them on Celebrity Silhouette. Now there's 8 of them which are arranged around the Lawn Club itself, and they're available for hire on an exclusive basis per day. But not only do you get this wonderful private cabana, Celebrity will also throw in a bottle of champagne if you hire it on a sea day. Cheers. But even though you've got these 8 alcoves on the Lawn Club, there's still plenty of space to come up here, catch some rays or play some ball games.
Well, you can always sit in one of these giant chairs or relax in a hammock.
This is the fabulous Lawn Club Grill, which replaces the Corning glass show on Eclipse.
Where passengers, if they choose, can cook their own food, whether that's steaks, chicken, fish or flatbreads.
Whee!
After you've made your flatbread, you choose what topping you'd like before popping it into the oven for 3 minutes.
That's really good. Thanks very much. Fabulous. Okay, Michael, so we've done the flatbreads. I think that went pretty well. What is the next thing we're going to do?
The next thing we're going to do, we're going to choose our proteins.
Okay. You know, as a guest, can I just choose what I want? Can I have it all if I want to?
Give a free selection.
A free selection of everything. Okay, I'll tell you what, why don't we have a ribeye? This is the lemon pepper, yeah?
This is a lemon pepper.
Okay.
Put it on
Just like that?
Yes.
Oh, look at that. All right, now. Here we are, here's the finished product. Wow, look at that, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
That looks incredible. Right, let's get involved. Well, I've got to say, even though I made this myself, with a lot of help from Michael, this is one of the best steaks I've ever had. And this is the Porch, the second restaurant on top of Celebrity Silhouette. And again, a difference from Celebrity Eclipse. Now the emphasis here is very much on seafood, particularly raw seafood, like tuna tartare or this amazing seafood tower here. You can also, for example, have lobster roll or chicken and chorizo paella. The only difficult bit is deciding which one to have. Cheers. And here's another new spot on Celebrity Silhouette, the Hideaway. It replaces Team Earth interactive exhibit on Celebrity Eclipse, and it's a lovely place to grab a coffee, relax, and read a book. But this is definitely my favourite spot.
One thing that hasn't changed is the sunset bar, the perfect place to have a cocktail and watch the sunset. Cheers.